what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Now in today's video you're going to decide my makeup look for the day. I have to shoot a video after this जो कि आपने already channel पे देख लिया होगा. This is the video. I've linked it here. You can watch it later to see how the makeup look is looking throughout that video. Now I've already posted a poll on Instagram I think a couple of hours back and उसके बाद मैंने काफी सारे individual polls भी डाल दिए हैं regarding the makeup look and a lot of you have participated on that, so thank you so much. Also this is my Instagram handle. If you want to participate in such polls in future you can follow me here. So let's start doing the makeup because इसके बाद अब एक और video shoot करना है and let's move on to the first poll. Now here I asked you whether I should go for primer or not and 78% of you said yes, and thank God for that because I like applying primer before my makeup. So I think today I have all my makeup laid out here first of all. So today I'm going to use this primer. All the product details will be mentioned in the description bar as well. This one is from Insight Cosmetics. I can't even speak today. And I'll just take a little bit of it and apply it on the inner, the centermost part of my face, especially around the nose. A little bit here in my T-zone and here, and I'll just like spread it out. Also, how are you liking my tube ponytail wala look today? Now the next poll is regarding foundation. I asked whether I should go for foundation or not and 57% of you said just to go for concealer. Now if you know me, if you've seen my earlier videos, you know I'm a big fan of not using foundation. मतलब I love foundation, इससे काफ़ी अच्छा look आता है, but there is such a hassle blending it and everything, and फिर दिन भर इसे ध्यान रखना होता है कि वो patchy ना हो, वो ये ना हो, like बहुत बवाल लगता है मुझे. So I personally really like using just concealer. Now I'll use this concealer from Maybelline, the Fit Me one. This is my absolute favorite. So I applied it in a lot of high points and then I'll use a brush to blend it, not a beauty blender. I'm thinking of using a brush today and मैं इस type का एक thin brush use करती हूँ and then just blend. Also whenever I'm blending concealer, I make sure कि थोड़ा सा मैं lid वाले part में भी ले जाऊँ, especially if I'll follow up with any eye makeup of any sorts, क्योंकि वो एक अच्छा base दे देता है for eye makeup and works as a eye makeup eyeshadow primer kind of. So I've applied my powder and bronzer and now the next poll is regarding blush. So I asked whether I should go for a normal powder blush like this one or whether I should use my lipstick as a blush, which is again a trick that I like to use quite a lot. And 59% of you said use your lipstick as blush. So that's what I'm gonna do obviously. Now let's see किस color का lipstick I use. Now there are these very creamy lipsticks that I have that I mostly like to use as blushes, and it makes a different shades. As you can see, there is a nude one, there is peachy kind of, and this one. And which should I go for? Okay, I'll go for this normal mauve pinky kind of. Now for this I'll take a beauty blender and I'll just take some of the lipstick on it and apply it. Now these days what I've been doing is I like to apply my blush towards the higher part of my face. So the blush is on and now let's move on to the next step, which is a highlighter, and I'll be using this Wet n Wild ka highlighter. This is like in a rose gold kind of shape and I've used this product so much, I've abused it. इसका ये lid bit टूट चुका है and I just take a brush like this to put on my highlighter. I am a big time highlighter lover. I like to apply a lot of it. Also these days another new thing that I'm doing with my highlighter is when I apply it here, instead of taking it over my brows, I take it under my brows. So इससे under brow highlight भी जाता है and then it looks very pretty. Now here comes one of the most important poll, which is the eye look, and currently it's 50-50. So I gave in two options. There's the colorful look or keeping it natural, and if you can see like the time when I'm shooting the video, it's 50-50. Damn, I think I'll wait a little bit like for a few minutes and फिर से देखती हूँ कि क्या आएगा. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Guys, it's still 50-50. Oh my god. कोई मतलब ये 51 में हो जाएगा. I'll just take one of the option, but it's still 50-50 and I just spent the last 10 minutes scrolling on Instagram. Instagram addiction is real. what to do now? So now after 5 minutes it's 52% keep it basic, so okay, now I can't waste more time. So let's do a basic eye makeup. Now I'll show you what my like the most basic or the most neutral eye makeup that I like to do for my shoots. And for this I'll use this palette from Maybelline. It's the Nudes palette, and let me just take out some makeup brushes. Also, all my makeup brushes are very dirty, so don't judge me. I'll clean them, I promise. So now first what I'll do is I'll take this skin color, like this is the color that matches the most with my skin, and I'll apply this all over the lid, like basically just to prep my lid for the coming colors, I would say. I'm very bad at describing eye makeup. Obviously I'm not a beauty guru, and I'm very bad at eye makeup in general actually. आजकल तो मेरी skills फिर भी थोड़ा सा सही हो रही है with practice. Now next I'll take this dark brown look. So I'll apply it on the outermost part of the crease and just blend it, and mainly focus it on the crease part ताकि इससे थोड़ा सा crease chord definition मिले. For your eye makeup as well, you'll have to build it up instead of using a lot of product at once, because then if you use a lot of it और फिर अच्छे से blend नहीं हुआ, and especially when you're doing makeup with brown, dark shades, like थोड़ा smoky वाले जो shades होते हैं, तो फिर you might end up looking like a raccoon or something. So please make sure that you take a little bit of product, उसको blend करो, then if you feel the need for more products फिर उसको build up करो, and that is how you go about for your eye makeup. Now that my crease has some definition, I'll take a thinner brush and I'll use a little bit dark. Brush ही टूट गया, हम जुगाड़ करेंगे. Now I'll take this super dark shade and I'll take a very little of it because I don't want to, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा smoky look नहीं चाहिए. I just want to again give more definition to the crease, and I'll apply it on the outer part. Now when I was applying this product थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग गया because this is very pigmented. So what I can do is, or what you can do if कोई भी product आपको थोड़ा excessive लग गया है and you want to tone it down a little, just take any clean brush and उससे start blending it. And again I'll take it ऐसे upwards motion में ऊपर को while I'm blending it, because I want this kind of look to my eye and not a droopy look. Next I'll take a little bit of this shade and I'll just take it on my finger only, and I'll apply it all over the lid part. And lastly this shade, and again apply it on the inner lid part and not on the outer part or the crease part. Now I'll use a lighter shade and apply it on the inner corners, because obviously no eye look or no makeup look of mine is complete without inner corner highlight, if you can see. So yes, I think we're done with the eye makeup. Oh wait, we have to apply mascara also. Another thing that I've been really liking doing these days is using a white kajal. So I'll use a little bit of it on the lower waterline, and that's it. You know what I just realized? I forgot to do my brows. I don't know how that's even possible. मतलब eyebrows के लिए I'm very particular. So I'll quickly do them off camera and I'll be back in a second. I just forgot कि कितना ज़्यादा difference आ जाता है in your makeup look when you do your brows. And now I think they're almost done. I think the eye makeup looks good and neutral सा ही है. मतलब obviously I have done a lot of things, but it is not very colorful or anything. It's very neutral. I was actually in a very colorful mood today. मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं इसे experiment करूँ with something colorful. And मैंने एक दो inspirations निकाले थे and मुझे ये वाला तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया था. I really wanted to do this one, but alas. बट कोई बात नहीं, अभी भी जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. एंड आई थिंक ये वीडियो की जो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ उसके लिए काफ़ी अप्रोप्रिएट है. सो आई थिंक ऑल्स वेल दैट एंड्स वेल, एंड मे बी वी कैन डू सम अदर वीडियो जिसमें मैं ऐसे रैंडम कलरफुल आई मेकअप लुक्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकती हूँ. एंड वी कैन डू अ चिट चैट काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. लेट्स सी, मतलब ऐसे कुछ आइडिया तो आ रहा है मुझे. इफ़ यू वांट अ वीडियो लाइक दैट प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट. एंड नाउ वी आर ऑलमोस्ट नियरिंग द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. ओह नो, I forgot the most important poll. What the hell? The next poll was whether I should apply a eyeliner or not. और मैंने mascara लगा दिया, and I completely forgot about that poll. But obviously 80% of you said I should apply a liner. So I will have to apply it. But mascara के ऊपर eyeliner लगाना बहुत difficult होता है if you've ever done it. And I completely forgot about it. But I'll have to do it because obviously ओहो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो गया ये लगाना, बट ठीक है। आई यूज दिस लाइनर फ्रॉम लैक्मे एंड यार आई ऑलवेज ऑलरेडी स्ट्रगल विद आईलाइनर सो मच। मुझे वैसे आईलाइनर ढंग से लगाना नहीं आता और उसमें भी मस्कारा के ऊपर से लाइनर लगाना इज गोना बी, well this is gonna be fun for you to watch and disastrous for me to do. So let's do it. Also another thing अगर आपने notice किया होगा आजकल I just like to apply my eyeliner on the outer part of my eye and I just wing it and that's it. मैं inner part में नहीं लेके जाती, तो that's what I'm gonna attempt to do today. Attempt being the keyword here and let's do this. I think this right one turned out decently. As I said, I just like to apply it on the outer corner, that's it. And now the toughest part is matching the wing. Oh god, this is stressful. I don't know, मुझे ठीक लग रहा है. I think it turned out decent. I think मेरे साथ अब वो केस होने वाला है जब you just keep correcting एक से दूसरी आंख का लाइनर and you end up with a मोटा सा लाइनर, because मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा सही किया और अब ये मोटा हो गया है. Oh god, इसको बस last time I'll do something and that's it. Yes, I think that's it. मैं अब छेड़खानी नहीं करूँगी कुछ भी. I think it turned out good, मतलब सही लग रहा है. Just see, tell me in the comments what do you think. कैसा लग रहा है ये look? And we are almost nearing the end of the video now. I think the last poll was regarding lipstick, not the last poll actually, the third last poll. So here I asked you if I should go for glossy lips or matte lip. Now मैंने lip color नहीं पूछा था because मुझे sure नहीं था कि colorful eye आएगा या neutral eye आएगा and उसके हिसाब से ही lip color choose करना पड़ेगा. So I just asked you if I should go for glossy one or matte one and I think 63% of you said go for matte lipstick. So let me quickly grab a lipstick जो कि इस eye look के साथ अच्छी लगेगी. I think I'll go for something in the reddish tones today. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से red lips नहीं करे हैं, so maybe that's what I'm gonna do today. So I got like this really pretty maroon shade, not maroon, हाँ maroon shade only. And ये एक sugar का छोटू वाला travel size वाला lipstick है and ये मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. This one actually super matte and ये बिल्कुल dry out कर देती है आपके lips को थोड़ा सा. So इससे पहले I like to apply अच्छे से lip balm, like prep my lips with the lip balm which I have done already. So let's just apply this now. So I applied this Maybelline का liquid matte in the shade 09 I think. I'll mention the shade in the description. I topped off that red with this super nude shade to just tone it down a little bit if you can see. And वो थोड़ा सा बाहर को ना spill out भी हो गई थी and it was a hot mess and it took me a while to clear it out. But finally this is the final lip shade. I think I'm really happy with it and ये बहुत matte lip shade है because even this liquid lipstick is a very mattifying one. And now the last poll I think was regarding the spray, the setting spray if I am not wrong. Wait, let me check. Yes, it was the setting spray. I asked if I should finish this off with the setting spray and 84% of you said yes, so thank god for that because I like to complete the makeup my makeup look with a setting spray to just you know blend it together. And बहुत सारे powder products use कर होते हैं, so when you use a setting spray so वो सारे powder products को अच्छे से settle in कर देता है into your face and it just looks a very seamless and well blended. So now the setting spray that I used is from Swiss Beauty and I'm actually out of it, almost out of it I would say, and I'm looking for a new setting spray. So please if you have any recommendation tell me in the comment. And now the final poll was regarding hair actually. I asked you about the hair only. So I asked whether I should keep it natural or straighten my hair and 61% of you said natural. So thank you so much because hair straight करने का मेरे पास अब ना time है और ना मुझे मन कर रहा है, so that's amazing. So I'll just open my hair a little bit and maybe comb it out. So yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is the final makeup look. This is how it turned out and I had so much fun doing this video. And if you want more such videos, tell me in the comments. If you have any video requests or recommendations, again tell me in the comments. And now I'll see you next time. Also please video को like करना, कमेंट ज़रूर करके जाना, दैट लीव एनीथिंग इन द कमेंट, जस्ट लीव समथिंग एज सिंपल एज अ हाई, बट प्लीज़ कमेंट करना, शेयर करना. द एंगेजमेंट रियली हेल्प्स विद द ग्रोथ ऑफ द चैनल. एंड नाउ माई हैंड इज टायर्ड, सो आई विल गो नाउ एंड आई हैव टू शूट अनदर वीडियो. सो चलो ठीक है, बाय. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. अंटिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग. बाय एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. बाय.